Why is there dog hair everywhere? Even on my camera lens. Hi, I'm Deborah. Welcome to MoggyBoxCraft. Today, in the crafting dining room, I'm going to be sharing with you my homemade Weedkiller recipe. There's loads of variations of this online. Tried a few and I really like this combination, I guess. What I would say about this Weedkiller recipe, so it's really cheap and really effective, although yeah, I would advise not using it in like your garden, your fruits and veg, or with your flower plants that you want to live. Excellent for like patio areas, driveways, pavement slabs, like your pathways and stuff, places where you really just don't want your weeds to be growing. Anyway, and in my driveway, we have a lot of weeds. I mean, it doesn't affect me. I don't know if this effectively kills them forever, but definitely kills them at the time. And yeah, it's pretty quick and pretty effective and so much cheaper than like commercially bought. This is like an old Weedkiller bottle that I saved. This is from, it's been lying and waiting for refilling, so that's what we're going to do today. So this might be the quickest video I've ever recorded, which is quite nice for a change. Let's get started. So we're going to use vinegar, 3 cups of vinegar, and I think it has to be the, where are we at? The 5% acidity vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of Fairy Up liquid. Now, I know you're kind of thinking this says kind of a bit ratty, this bottle, and that's because it is. I go to a place called Food Story and get my like laundry detergent, my Fairy Up liquid and that kind of stuff refilled, so I just reuse the bottles over and over. So yeah, it's a bit grubby, but you know, saving the planet and everything. Everyone's got to do their little bit. This is the recipe I use. I use 3 cups of vinegar of at least 5%, 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of Fairy Up liquid, or washing up liquid to normal people, but that's just what I call it. So yeah, life. So if you hear any snoring, wheezing, scruttling noises, it's the dogs. They don't care. They're never going to care, and neither should you. Oh my god, Pelly is actually snoring. Please, Pelly, please, swished. I don't know if it is Pelly. I think it might be Chico snoring today. Could be either of them. They don't care. Neither should you. All you should care about is how to make a cheap, easy, effective weed killer at home with ingredients that you can usually find in your home. I've got my tools. Yeah, I've got chopsticks for stirring. The dogs are actually wheezing. Come you here, internet friends, and we'll try. We're going to try and, yeah, excellent. Hope you enjoy my shiny tablecloth. This is my jar I'm going to be mixing everything in. So first up, we have got 3 cups of vinegar, or 227 milliliters. Times 3. Am I gonna spill this everywhere? So 3 cups of your vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of Fairy Up liquid. And then I'm just going to take my end of my chopstick and mix it until it's all fully combined. I've found mixing this in a jar with like a pointy nozzle the easiest way. If not, you're going to need a funnel. And I don't have one of those, so we're just going to very carefully pour. And then when you think your mix is all fully dissolved, without trying to like froth up, without frothing up all the Fairy Up liquid too much, and you think everything's fully dissolved, you need to add it to your spray bottle. Now I've got my mix all prepared. Take your spray bottle. Obviously I cleaned out this spray bottle and I've been using this one, so the mix is already in there. And somehow you need to very carefully get the mixture from here to there. We're just gonna hope. We're just gonna do it very carefully. Oh, actually we're not too bad. Also, subscribing is optional, but it is really appreciated. So do please subscribe if you would like to see more crafting videos or garden videos, costume videos, actually any kind of crafting videos, kitchen crafting, costume crafting, any of the jazz. Oh, I actually managed to do this without spilling anything. Oh, I'm well impressed with myself. Now you've got all your mix in your bottle. Put your spray thing back on and close the lid. It's not really a lid, is it? It's like a, I don't know, like a bottle top screw thing. Good shake! And now we're ready to go and kill some weeds. Or at least deter them for a little while. Let's go kill some weeds, shall we? Look at all these weeds. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and found it... Oh, what's my camera doing there? I don't know what you're doing, camera, but I don't appreciate it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video about homemade weed killer. It's definitely a fraction of the price of like regular weed killer, and it is just as effective. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this today, found it educational or entertaining, or I suppose what you really came here for is to know how to make cheap, easy weed killer with not lots of, obviously everything's a chemical, but not maybe the harsh chemicals that you might find in regular weed killer. This video is more for me really than you guys, because if the recipe ever rubs off on this bottle, I'm probably not going to remember it. So now I can come back here and remember what weed killer recipe I used. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Is that it? Is that seriously like the quickest video I've ever made? Christ, it bloody maybe is.